Nice beach training here in Sunset. We muscle gym. We're training hard. We run. And then we're going to swim. We were swimming. 3 things we do. And now we are ready to work. Clear mind, to study. To feel absolutely great. Cardiovascular is good and not the best, but it's great. Oh, thank you, the Lord. Thank you. Open mind, open sky. For those who believe, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, share this with your friends. If you go to my internet, click in the link in the description. É the Shopee, Amazon e Hotmart. Neduz.com. Start the notifications, support the channel with the donations. Have a nice week. Dominaram a tiara aqui, cara. Roubaram a tiara. Tiara, man. Caraca, roubaram a tiara.